Welcome to my channel EduHubM. So today we have question where most of the students stuck while solving. So the question is, if a plus b is equal to 10 and a into b is equal to 18, then we have to find the value of a and b. So the correct method to solve this question, we have to make equation from this. So what we get from the here first equation, what can we make? If a plus b equal to 10, can I write a plus b equal to 10? Can I write here if a plus b equal to 10, can I write here the value of b is equal to 10 minus a? The value of b is equal to 10 minus a from the first equation we got here. And what is the second equation here? A into b is equal to 18. So can I write in the place of b? I am writing in the place of b a multiply by a into value of b is equal to 10 minus a. 10 minus a is equal to 18. So what we did here, we simply put it into a single variable, because while solving the two variables in one equation, it will be difficult without quadratic equation. So we are computing it into a single equation or in a single variable. So a into 10 is equal to 10 a into a minus a square, and here is simply 18. So we can finally write here minus a square plus 10a minus 18 is equal to 0. So in the next step, we are seeing that here the value of first a square is multiplying with minus. Can we multiply here this whole equation with this minus? So the value of first equation we get positive. I want to say that if I multiply here fully, multiply with minus in this whole equation, so what we get into a final, minus into minus plus a square, minus into plus minus 10a, minus into minus plus 18, and minus into 0, because we have to multiply with minus in the both side. So minus into 0 is equal to 0. I hope you understood this very well, the step of this method how to solve. And what we know that here it was formed a quadratic equation, so we have to solve it by the Sridharacharya formula. What is the formula of Sridharacharya? If we have quadratic equation, how we have to solve? Minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. We have to simply put it into this value of equation. What is the value of b here? Minus 10. So value of b is here minus 10. Minus into minus here, while putting the in place of b, minus into minus here plus 10 here plus minus under root. What is the value of b? Minus 10. b square minus 10 के square 100. b square minus 4 into a, value of a is equal to 1, into c, value of c is equal to 18. So in the final, what we got here, upon 2 into a, value of a is equal to 1. What we got here in final stage, 10 as it is same, plus minus under root 100 minus 4 into 18, 72, 100 minus 72, 8, 80, 28 upon 2, here 2 into 1. So under root 28, when we break under root 28, what will be break it here? And in under root 4 into 7. So here 4 under root 4 is equal to 2 under root 7 is our final answer here. I hope you understood this step very well. If not, you can comment it. I will explain it step by step. So here 10 plus, what is our final answer here? What we got here? 10 plus minus 4 2 root 7 upon 2. Can I take here 2 common? Can I take 2 common here in our final step? 2 5 plus minus 2 root 7 by 2. 2 cancel out here with 2. What we got our final here? 5 plus minus 2 root 7. I hope you understood this very well how I taught this. So our value of a, we got two value of a. First we got a1. We got here a1. We got a1 equal to 5 plus 2 root 7. 1 is 5 positive, 5 plus 2 root 7. We got a2 in negative, 5 minus 2 root 7. So what is the last step? So here we got a1, a2 value. We will simply put in place of b. What the equation here? A plus b is equal to 10. We got the first equation here. A plus b is equal to 10. So value of b is equal to 10 minus a. Can I write b is equal to 10 minus a? While putting the equation here, what we get? Value of a we know. Value of b we don't know. 10 is that is same. So first we get the value of b1 here while putting the 10 minus value of a1 is 5 plus 2 root 7. 5 plus 2 root 7. So 10 minus 5, 5 plus 2 root 7. So what we got here? Value of b1 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 7. And while putting the value of a2 in the place of b, here we got b equal to 10 minus, what is the value of a2? 5. Here will it become plus, minus into minus plus. What I wrote first? 5 plus 2 root 7. A1 value I am going to write in place of second. 5 minus 2 root 7. I forgot one thing. If we minus something, here it will get minus, while inside we are multiplying with minus. So value of v1 we get 5 minus 2 root 7. I hope you understood this. So here 10 minus 5 and minus, while multiplying inside the minus we get here plus 2 root 7. What is the value of b2? So value of b2 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 7. We got here all value. a1 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 7, a2 equal to 5 minus 2 root 7, and the b1 is equal to 5 minus 2 root 7, b2 is equal to 5 plus 2 root 7. We have got the both answer of a1, b1, a2, b2, and what we got here, it is correct or not, we can check it while putting the value of a1, b1, a2, b2 in the equation. I hope you understood this. If we put in place of a into b, this both equation, we have to get the 18. While correcting it, while checking it, we are all going to correct it. So what is the here final step? A, b is equal to 18. We got here answer, but we are checking if it is correct or not. So what is the value of a1? First we are going to put the value of a1. What is the value of a1? 5 plus 2 root 7. Here I am going to put it direct. 5 plus 2 root 7. What is the value of b1? b1 value of b1 5 minus 2 root 7. 5 minus 2 root 7. This both is under multiply equal to 18. A into b should be equal to 18. So it is a plus b, a minus b, a plus b, a minus b. I hope you understood this very well, is equal to a square minus b square. So a square 5 square 25 minus b square 2 into 7 14. Sorry, b square 2 4 into 7, 28. So 25 minus, oh, I understand this. We got one mistake here. Mistake what? While we take common here too, we did not take this, so it will be cancel out. We got our final answer in root 7. 5 plus root 7, 5 minus root 7. Here also 5 plus root 7 and 5 minus root 7. I hope you understood this very well. We don't have to any equation because 2 is already cancel out here while taking the 2 common here. So we did not got to anywhere. I hope you understood this. We did not go to anywhere in any equation. So we do not have to take 2 because while taking here common 5 plus 2 root 7, I took here 2 common. It was the here final step 10. 2 it will be 5, 2 common, while taking the 2 common it will be here root 7. 5 plus root 7, 5 minus root 7. I hope you understood this very well and I am really sorry for this. So what we got here? 5 minus root 7, value of b1. What is the value of b2? 5 plus root 7. And here a1 value 5 plus root 7, a2 value 5 minus root 7. So while multiplying here, I hope you understood this. 5 square 25, and here b square root 7 is equal to 7. What we got here? 18. We have checked it and it will got proved. I hope you understood this very well and please forgive me for mistaking that. I hope you understood this very well. Kindly please don't forget to subscribe.